Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my custom Traxxas eRevo carbon fiber battery trays. So what it is just a normal eRevo battery tray, and then you cut out some carbon fiber vinyl and you wrap it up, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So first thing you're going to need to do is take the battery tray, put it on your vinyl, and kind of generally shape it out like this. We'll trim off the excess. And you also need an X-Acto knife and a heat gun, which I have, just it's not in the camera view right now. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to peel the backing of your vinyl off. Try not to get that dirty. And then take your battery tray, just kind of place it in the center. Give it a little bit of push, kind of brush it on, kind of this part and the edge here. Then you will be having to cut it to line it up with here and all the little edges and angles. So what I've done now is I've trimmed my X-Acto right there, right there, right there, and right there, and same on the other side. And I've essentially folded this piece in through both of these clip slots, and then folded this part over and around into the back. And it's not adhesing really well right now, but it will once I use the heat gun. So I've done a bunch of trimming, cutting edges, whatnot, to get everything kind of folded over. And then even this, what I'm going to do with this excess is I'm going to fold this over, kind of use my fingernail to get this line down here, and I'll run the X-Acto lightly through that line, so I don't cut anything else, because there's some thin plastic there. And then I'll use the heat gun, and I will melt everything on so it adheses better and everything, and I'll show you what it ends up looking like. I'm just getting the logo kind of on here. So it still has the shape of the logo there. Then we'll do this. Little line I've made. You get that there. Gets that line. Now we have to get all these little ugly pieces all lined up. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold those over with some heat. I'll get those little tabs. Should be good. Now here we go. Maybe heated that piece up almost a bit too much. Looked like it was almost about to melt. But I'm just folding all the excess kind of over and into these slots. It all still fits and whatnot when you mount it. So there's that side. Ooh. That should be good. Now, I think we should be good. So I'll show you what it looks like. So essentially what I've done here is this one I've heated up more at the top so it shows that logo. This one I don't have it yet. So I will heat it up more and roll my thumb over it and kind of get the edges and whatnot to show the logo like that. And yeah, essentially this is just something you can do to make your eRevo look better and customize it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.